A cheerful welcome to you all to my channel. Today I am going to tell you a chapter of An Alien Hand I Want Something in a Cage. About the story. The writer of this story is Ali Gravy. The characters of this story are Mr. Purcell, the shopkeeper, a strange customer. Story in short. Mr. Purcell ran a shop of pets. The shop had all kinds of pets on the other shelf. On the shelves, there were many cages. The lives in cages did not trouble Mr. Purcell customers. They praised the caged animal and called them cute. Mr. Purcell showed his concern about the well-being of bird and animal in his shop. He dealt in fish food and bird seeds and prescribed remedies for ailing canaries. He wore, he, he wore large glasses which magnified his eyes. His looks made the author compare him to a wise owl. A man had bought two doves and let them free. He had found the shop dispersing the man and had shining shoes. His suit was cheap. He did not seem very clear as to what he wanted. He had been just released from prison. So he wanted to buy an animal which could give him a taste of freedom. The strange man asked to Mr. Purcell that I want something in a cage. Mr. Purcell was confused. Then the man said, I want something small. Then Mr. Purcell said, Rat will be right for that. Then the man said, No, I want a bird. Then his eyes fell on a pair of the doves. He knew that the doves love to fly high in the air. He did not buy the doves because he loved them. He wanted to have the pleasure of freeing some animals. This wish was so great that for this he spent all his money. This he had earned after working hard as a prisoner for 10 years. The amount was $5. After buying the doves, this new customer talked to Mr. Purcell for a little while. Mr. Purcell offered to advise him about the care of feeding of the doves. The man, however, was not interested in that. He said, "Bah!" with disdain and went out of the shop. It was so because he was not interested in keeping the doves. As soon as he came out, he opened the cage, let the doves fly high in the sky. Mr. Purcell saw it and felt vaguely insulted. Keywords of this chapter are uncanny, magnified, canary, rich, digest, shuttling glance, snapped, snowy, crestfallen. Word meaning: genial, friendly and cheerful, scampered, speed away, empathically, directly, monotonous, lacking in variety of interest, instinctively, without conscious thought, gaze, looks steadily and intently. Liberatory, a person who liberates a person or a place for imprisonment or oppression. Flexibility, inability to deal with or understand something. Now question answers, this is extra questions, so let's start. What was Purcell's source of earning? Answer. Mr. Purcell ran a pet shop. He sold cats, dogs, monkeys and birds. He also sold fish food and bird seed. He also prescribed remedies for the sick animals. In this way he earned his living. Question number 2. Describe Mr. Purcell's daily routine at the shop. Answer. Answer. Mr. Purcell opened his shop and sat on a high stool every morning. He unfolded the newspaper and read through it. He attended the customer if there was any. It was his daily routine. Question number 3. What surprised Mr. Purcell one day? Answer. Mr. Purcell had hung a bell at the door of his shop. It began to ring on the arrival of customer that day. It failed to ring. Mr. Purcell was surprised. He felt that the customer has appeared out of the air. Question number 4. Why did the customer hate Mr. Purcell? Answer. The customer noticed that Mr. Purcell had imprisoned birds and animals to earn money. He had robbed them of their freedom. The customer loved the freedom, so he hated Mr. Purcell. Question number 5. Why did the customer free the imprisoned doves? Answer. The customer had suffered the pains of prison life. He was a jailbird a short while ago. So he tossed the doves into the air and freed them from their imprisonment. Question number 6. How did the customer feel after freeing the doves? Answer. The customer had freed 2 doves from their prison. He had utilized his hard-earned money. He longed to teach Mr. Purcell a good lesson. Therefore, he felt happy about this action. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe and comment to my channel. Thank you.